to create a site pop-up for your website. Start by going to your dashboard and then click on Marketing and SEO, then Marketing Tools. Then look for Site Notices, and then go Add Site Notice. Now, choose a name. This is just for you. So let's go Test Site Notice. Then we want to choose a date that it will be viewed from and to. So let's choose today, and let's choose till tomorrow. We highly recommend clicking this to only show the site notice once. Otherwise, it will pop up on every single page the customer comes to and every single time they view a new page, which is not particularly useful. You can choose whether to show the pop-up immediately at 0 seconds or wait a second or two. Generally, I like to choose 1 second. You can upload your own file, you can code your own, or you can choose one of our pre-designed designs. So, for example, let's choose that one, and then let's quickly show the template. So, what we can also do is instead, we can just enter some basic text. We are closed on this date. So let's save the changes. Let's then go to the website and have a look. So there we go, we're closed on this date. If we wanted to change that, we'd go to Marketing, Marketing Tools, Site Notice Pop-ups. We can either change what's already there, so let's just undo this and then let's go Merry Christmas, we will open in 2023. Let's have a look. So then let's save this, go to the website again, and there we have it. If we then go to another page, because we've got a frequency set for always, it will always show. So if we don't want that, we go back, Marketing, Site Notice Pop-ups, Edit, and then click Frequency Only once, then save. It's as simple as that.